Everyone, and welcome back to my video. Hello everyone. So guys, on this video we are going to be doing unboxing. So over here I have my package. We all know, looking at it, we all know it's from Amazon. Yes, this is Amazon package. So whenever you see this, just this color and this thing, just know it's from Amazon. Yes, so I just ordered two things for myself which I need for my blogging. Yes, because if you have been watching my live stream for some time, we know that sometimes my camera will almost fall on me. So what I've been using to hold it, I bought this thing is just for makeup. I normally use it I bought it because of makeup. So and it also work for blogging and all. So I've been using it, but for some time now it have been misbehaving, so I decided to get myself something else. And this one also is also coming all the way from another company. So we are just going to do the unboxing together, guys. So first of all, I'm going to open the package. As we can see, I'm just going to open it. Let's see. So before we go into the Amazon package, I'm going to be opening it because I can't remember what I ordered here. I can't remember. But for the package, yes, for the carton you guys are seeing over there, I know what I have. But this one, I don't just know. Let's see if what I have. What is this? Yeah, I can't remember. I can't remember what I have in there. I'm just going to. What is this? It have been this have been long time. I don't know they still bring it. It's just what my little baby ordered. I think I can't. What is this one also? And this one is a cap, wink cap. So for those of us that love wink, so this is what I do. I normally put my wing cap under my scarf just to protect my edges first of all before putting my cap on. So that is what I have in that small package. So the next one is this Amazon package. So look at it. I just open it and this is what I have in there. Just only two items. This one and this. So we are going to start with this one. As you guys can see, did you guys see it? It's just for to place my phone whenever I'm on live screen or doing video. And please, if you are watching this video and you know a better one that can work better for me, please just let me know at the comment section, because I've bought so many that is not working. I think I need to I'm going to mount it myself. I'm going to mount it, then just put it. I will talk about that later, because this one now is self-stick. The self-stick they are not doing nowadays, I don't understand. How can someone bought a I'm looking for a self-stick that can put inside my bag like the one I have before. It's just a little self-stick you can put inside your bag. But nowadays, I don't know. When you just order self-stick, they will go and bring a pole for you. It's no longer fitting in the bag just like the normal ones. I wish I have it in. I would have showed you guys the one that the one that's spoiled. It's just a self-stick. You can just fit into your handbag. Now the one I ordered before is still the same pole they brought. Look at this one now. Another pole. I'm tired though. Look at. Let's see what. Oh my God, what is this? What is? This is not what I ordered now. This is not what I ordered at all. Look at what they brought for me. This one looks like a tripod. I did not order tripod. This one looks like a tripod. Wish I did. I know I did not order tripod. It was a self-stick. It's just a self-stick I ordered though. Oh my goodness. This is what came on, what I ordered versus what I got. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to, because it's the phone I'm using to record this video, I'm going to go inside to go and check, because I know I ordered a self stick, not a tripod. Okay guys, because I already have a tripod. Why would I go and order another tripod again when I already have a tripod? Okay guys, thank you also so much. So I'm going to see it, then I will do the review maybe in another day. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye.